Does your engine randomly hesitate, buck, or completely stall out while you are driving down the road? You could have a hidden electrical issue known as the P0344 trouble code. This means your engine computer is intermittently losing the signal from the camshaft position sensor A on bank 1. This sensor is crucial because it tells the engine computer exactly where the camshaft is in its rotation, allowing it to perfectly time the fuel injectors and spark plugs. When that signal drops out even for a fraction of a second, your vehicle does not know when to fire the cylinders. The most common symptoms you will experience are a check engine light on your dashboard, sudden surging or bucking while accelerating, and the engine dying out completely, though it will usually start right back up. So what is causing this intermittent nightmare? Because the code specifically says intermittent, the problem is rarely a completely dead sensor. Instead, you are usually looking at a temporary open or short circuit in the wiring. The power supply wire, the ground wire, or the signal wire going to the camshaft position sensor might be rubbing against a hot engine part or have a loose connection. Other causes include a damaged camshaft tone ring, or sometimes even a faulty crankshaft position sensor throwing off the synchronization. To troubleshoot this, your first step should always be checking for technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle. Sometimes the manufacturer releases a software update for the engine computer to fix this exact bug. Next, locate the camshaft position sensor and thoroughly inspect the wiring harness. Look for melted plastic, bare wires, or tight bends. Unplug the connector and look inside. If you see green corrosion, clean the pins with electrical contact cleaner or 91% rubbing alcohol and a small brush. Let it dry, apply some dielectric silicone grease, and plug it back in. If the code returns, you will need a digital multimeter to test the 5-volt power supply and the ground circuit while wiggling the wires to see if the voltage drops. You can also test the sensor resistance, which should typically be between 750 and 2000 ohms. Because finding an intermittent electrical short can feel like looking for a needle in a haystack, and dealing with engine timing is risky, this is exactly when you should take your car to a professional mechanic. They have advanced diagnostic oscilloscopes to catch tiny signal dropouts that a standard meter will miss. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe on the road.